The norm is about to change in the Philippines. Our smart bus leads the change in the Philippines. Assemble Point and Eve Smart Bus Company are now heading towards the goal of becoming the #1 smart bus company by expanding our share in public transportation and logistics services. The key word is creating electric vehicles needed now, not in the future. EVs that people on the street will wave to. But our goal is near future. In Ayala Malls, our smart bus is already being used as a free shuttle. At the University of the Philippines, our smart bus is now used and symbolized as green mobility. Every little achievement makes a big difference.
I would like to continue the project with Miyashita because your president, Mr. Miyashita, it's quite good in negotiation about the project.
We have that LB, Electric Light Bus for the Economy and Environment Partnership, and we found you, and you have this kind of campus. You have a partnership with the university, so we are lucky.
Our smart bus is easy to build. You don't need any large capital investment. All you need is a person and some space to put all together. Our smart bus is designed by Japanese engineers, produced locally, and contains swapping batteries that allow you to be free from infrastructure concerns. That is why we can expand to ASEAN countries, the Middle East, Africa, and to the whole world. Our passion is truly changing our planet's future. To everyone here watching this, we would like to tell you that this 90-second video shows who we are today. Let's go see our next chapter with us.